Good day, everybody. I've got these copper sheets here. I'm going to make a little project with them. They come with the protective coating on there. Just got to peel it off. Trace the mushroom pattern on one of the sheets there. I'm going to cut it out with the angle grinder with the 4.5-inch cutting wheel. Got it clamped to the table. Now I'm just trying to cut and take my time and cut, stay outside the lines, make the cut as clean as possible. I tried to position this thing in the sheet to create the least amount of waste as possible. Here's the pattern that's cut out. Now I need to go ahead and take and clean it up with a file, deburr the edges. Now drill a hole in the top for hanging purposes. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean it up with the power wire wheel. Get it all nice and shiny. There it is. Now fire up one of the torches. This one's got 3 flames coming out of it. It makes a unique pattern on this, on the mushroom there. As you can see, this one's got a, this is more of a straight torch. It creates a better circular pattern. Just trying out different heat treatments on here, different patterns with the torches. I ended up liking the 3 flame torch better. This one isn't bad for some circular patterns, but I went with this for the finished design there. I'll put the link to order this copper sheet in the description. Thanks for watching.